we're going to make some Sugo di Spezzatino with this pot roast. We're having several people come over, so that's why there's such a large amount. Let's see what we're going to be using. We're going to use some bay leaves, onions, here's some sage and rosemary, garlic, juniper seeds, some cayenne pepper flakes. We have some celery, carrots, some tomatoes, and of course some good red wine. For the sake of time, we've already minced the carrots, the celery, and the onions, and also the garlic here. And now we're going to sear the meat. A nice drizzle of olive oil, and the oven is already lit outside and preheating. And now right here, we're going to place the meat right in. While the meat is searing, we're going to do our veggies right in here, our soffritto, and this is where the meat will go as well. So here are the onions, the carrots, and the celery, as well as the garlic. While everything is happily doing its job on the stove, we're going to chop up some of the rosemary and simply just pull back. And we'll also put just a few sage leaves in there, not too much, and then just chop everything up, nice and fine. I believe we're ready to flip this. Ooh, and it's looking mighty good. Let's see this big chunk here. Wow, perfect. And we'll sear the other side. I believe everything has nicely seared on both sides. Yes, looking perfect. Our veggies are nice and translucent. And now we're going to add the meat right in here. And even our last piece, we're going to nestle it right here in the middle. We're going to remove the excess fat, but all these goodies down here we still want to be able to use, so we'll put the wine in here. The wine goes right in here. We will also add the rest of it. And then rosemary and some juniper seeds right here, just a few there, as well as salt, and a few hot pepper flakes. Now 2 bay leaves, and finally also going to add the tomatoes. Let's just kind of squish them a little bit with my hands and put that on top as well. Oh, this is going to be so good. I think we're going to have to add just a little bit of water to cover this up. Now the water. We're going to stir some of these goodies in the bottom up. All our veggies, and guys, this will be absolutely delicious. This will be in the oven for like 3.5 to 4 hours at a low temperature, and then we'll check it once in a while to make sure that water is not needed. You could also use broth, but we chose to use water. And now we're going to put the lid on and place it in the oven. Let's look at the fire below. Once the oven is heated up, all you need to do to keep the temperature is just 1 or 2 small pieces in. Let's place this beauty in and close the door and allow the oven do its magic. Time has come to peek in here once again and see how our dish is looking. Oh, look at it. Oh my goodness. And here is this delicious meat You can see that there is a lot of grease in here. Now let me show you. We could either get a spoon and scoop it out. We could actually use it and eat it. But if you want to get easily some grease out, place some ice right in there, and very quickly the grease that is there will cling to the ice because it solidifies, and you can get a lot of it out that way. All right, and here we go. See all the grease that has solidified there? And it leaves delicious juices right below, so you don't lose anything. And we could keep doing this for a while. Look at that. I'm very curious to see as to how tender the meat is. Oh wow, look at there. It just flakes off, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. We decided to make some pappardelle, and over here you can see them. They're ready to go into the boiling water, and we'll serve it right on top there. Our pappardelle have been served on the plate. We're going to put just a bit of Parmigiano Reggiano on it and a nice drizzle of olive oil. And we are ready to do the official tasting. Oh, look at this. I can't wait. This meat that is falling apart, the fresh pasta. Look at this. Absolutely delicious. Buon appetito.